And next to tee off, Mason Gilmore.
As cool as that shot was, wait until you see the rest of the holes that we have planned for January 16th and 17th at Pop-Up Putt and Play.
This year we're partnering with Shakopee Caps high school students to build all the holes.
Why don't we come check some of them out?
Hi, I'm Caden Jewell. I'm in the Shakopee STEM Caps engineering program, and I'm super excited to be working on this project at the community center. It's been super fun so far, being able to be creative and showcase my talents with designing, manufacturing, and engineering all these fun mini golf holes. And it's super fun to know that my work will be enjoyed by all the members of the community, and super excited for that day to come and everyone to have some fun.
Hello, my name is Mallory, and I am a senior in the Shakopee STEM CAPS program. And I'm also really excited to partner with the community center. We get to start with the design process and work through that and be creative. And we have a realistic budget that would be used in real life, and it's really fun. And every day I get to come to school and work on these fun projects.